Hey you guys, we are going to be making protein blueberry waffles. Let's go. You will be needing eggs. I'm only going to use 3, not all of those. Some almond milk or coconut milk or whatever you want to use. A little bit of baking powder, oats, some protein powder, blueberries, and sugar-free syrup. All right, so we're going to take 3 eggs. I use a NutriBullet blender, but you can use whatever kind you want. Crack them. A little almond milk, just a little bit, not that much, because y'all want it too milky. Oops, lost my light. Some oats. About 2 tablespoons. And I use about 2 tablespoons of protein powder. You could blend your blueberries in this too if you want to, but I am not. I'm going to put my blueberries on top. I'm going to heat my blueberries up a little bit and put it on top when I'm done with my waffles. And just a little bit of baking powder just to give it a little fluff. Not that much. Then you blend. Then hopefully your waffle iron is already heated up. And spray it with a little non-stick cooking spray. I use Palm olive oil. And I am greedy and I am not afraid of fat. So I'm gonna put a little ghee butter just for the taste. Just a little bit to have that little buttery taste. Then you pour your mix. I'm clumsy, so not too much because I always end up making a mess on the counter, but all right, now it's time to take it out. Nice fluffy waffle. It is so hard to believe that just those little bit of oats and 3 eggs made that big old pile of waffles. I heated up my blueberries for too long, but now I'm just gonna pour my toppings over it. Blueberries. And my syrup. And there you go.